Welcome to Qollabb, where we believe in connecting companies with brilliant minds in campuses. Today, in this video we will be exploring the journey of how one can join Qollabb's portal as a student user type. Signing up as a student is a really quick and easy process. Here's a step-by-step guide on creating an account with Qollabb as a student. Step 1. Access the website. First, open your web browser and go on the website https://qollabb.com. Step 2. Sign up. On the Qollabb homepage, you can find the sign up for free button on the top right corner and click on it. Step 3. Upon clicking the sign up for free button, you will be directed to a sign up page where you will find three segments, namely student, employer, and university or college. Step 4. Select the student button as your user type. You'll be directed to the registration page, where you need to fill in the details. Step 5. Filling up the details. Filling in your details in the registration form would include your full name, your official mail address, your designation, institution name, your phone number and a secure password and the confirmation of the password that you create. Be sure to provide accurate information and finally click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Next, after submitting the details, click on Verify with the OTP button down below. You'll receive an OTP from Qollabb in your mailbox. Open your mailbox and input the OTP and click on Verify to confirm your account. You will see the dashboard of your newly created Qollabb account. Step 6. Now complete your student profile. Click on the top right corner where you will find an icon with the first letter of your name drop down beside the bell icon. Click on that icon and complete your student profile by filling in a few more details like the profile picture, date of birth, location, institute name, upload your resume, link to your other social profiles like LinkedIn, GitHub or portfolio link and a brief introduction about yourself. You can also fill in the details like your previous experiences if any and other projects that you have completed in past along with the link. Once you fill all these details, click on the button Save Changes to complete your profile. All these details will help the companies to understand you better. And don't you worry, it's just a one-time effort. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Qollabb account as a student. It's that simple or quick. And now you're ready to explore and start working on exciting project work opportunities and apply for internship opportunities and job opportunities. In the next video, we will be taking you through a journey of how to search or apply for the opportunities available. Please have a look at our next video and understand how to search, find and apply for the opportunities and showcase your skills to the companies. With the help of the next video, you will start applying to the opportunities posted by employers. Thank you.